If you are looking for a budget option which can replace a Mac Mini, stop right here. This mini PC from Beelink is certainly the best choice for you, especially since this is a mini gaming PC. Our second choice for the best Mac Mini alternatives also happens to the most affordable option that you can find on this list today. The Beelink SER6 Pro Mini PC is now the cheapest option for a mini high-performance PC. But, it still features the AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor to deliver impressive performance for both design and gaming applications. With a multi-core score of 4315 and a single-core score of 528 on Cinebench R20, it ensures smooth operation even under demanding tasks. Equipped with 32GB DDR5 4800 MHz memory, the PC offers flexible expansion options. It can be configured with up to 32GB of memory on a single card or up to 64GB with dual cards. The mini PC also provides ample storage with a 500GB capacity, featuring a read speed of up to 3500 MB per second and the ability to scale up to 2 TB. It also supports 4K triple display output with its USB 4 port, which has a 40 gigabits per second transfer speed and allows up to 8K resolution output at 60 Hz. This lets users connect multiple monitors simultaneously, enhancing productivity and saving time. Best features of this item. It is powered by the Ryzen 7 7735HS CPU. It has 32GB RAM capacity. It has a 500GB SSD for storage. Bluetooth, Ethernet, LAN, Wi-Fi, USB, HDMI connectivity options are available. Pros of this item. Most affordable choice for a mini PC. This is one of the few gaming mini PCs. FCC, RoHS, and CE certification. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.